Okay, we're going to do a little jump contest here. There's going to be 2 rounds, or 3 rounds, sorry. First one to win 2 rounds. And we're going to do 1 to 10, 10 being the best. And so we're just going to go, and Riley, he's driving the little Electric RC Boost buggy. He will go first, and me, Tate, I'm driving the Tractor Slash. So let's go. I guess, because I mean, he went decent, but that's a 4 right there. Okay? Now it's my turn. Okay, he hit the, I get to pick a redo since I get a, when you hit a cone, you get to pick if you redo or don't redo, and I'm going to pick that a redo. Look, that would have been like a 5.
Second and third round.
Here I go again. So he's at 8 right now. Okay, now here I go. Oh, and I landed that. That's probably a 7 right there. Oh, that's 7. So, what is it? 8 to 11. And here we go. Last jump of the round for each of the cars.
Where are we going to?
We're just going 3 jumps around. 3 jumps around here to the high school round. Okay, now here Riley goes. And he's gonna redo. He hit a cone.
What would that have been?
3? No, I would have been like 2. There we go.
Feels cool. It's like
That would have been like a 3, maybe 2. And it didn't jump, so. Oh! I landed it. That's probably a 7 right there. So it's, we got herself
11 to
15.
yeah, 11 to 15.
Here we go.
Look at your shield. Look at your shield.
I have no shield, Riley.
What?
I have no shield.
Give me your windshield.
That's a 5, so the final score is 15 to 16. Tate barely wins that round, so Riley could come close, so we still got 2 rounds to go. Let's go start the second round. Riley is going first again. Okay, actually, never mind. Tate is going to go first until you won the round. An 8 right there. I mean, an 8?
7.
Okay, that's a 7 right there. Okay, now here Riley goes. Okay, you gonna redo? Now Riley's turn, here we go. He skinned it. He gets another redo.
Okay, I'm not doing that trick you did.
Probably. I'll have to give that a 5. That was kind of cool. 5, so it's 5 to 7 right now. Riley's down by 2. Oh, in this car, 5 jump. And now it's my turn. 5, I guess. So right now I am at 12, Riley at 5.
12 to 4. I mean 12 to 5.
What?
12 to 5.
It's 12 to 5, but I've gone 4. He hit the cone, but is he gonna? That would have been a 6. But does he want to redo it or no? Do you redo that to 6, and then you'll only be down by 1 point?
Redo.
Oh, he's gonna redo that. Okay. He's gonna redo it. So he lines up again.
Yeah.
Hopefully Tate can get a decent jump. Riley needs a decent jump at least here. Maybe amazing jump. But one both of them need this win this round, especially Riley. Here we go. That's sorry. Okay, that's total messed up. Sorry. Let me just fix the camera. Sorry, I hit that right there. That's horrible.
That was about a 10.
Seriously, like a 10? No, I'm kidding. Okay, sorry about that. That was kind of cool. Hopefully for y'all, it was kind of cool to see. Oh, we gotta see the jump.
No, a little higher so they can see.
Yeah. Sorry, we're trying to. I'm totally knocking the stand. Okay, yeah, there we go. So, I guess I get to redo that. That would have probably been only like a 4. Oh, that might have been a 5 maybe.
No.
Here I go. That's probably only a 4. Yeah, I probably guess it's going to be a 4 right there. So my final score is 16.
16 to 11.
So Riley needs a 6 to win it, 5 to tie it. And if he ties it, we go to another jump for the round. So here we go. Here we go, Riley. See if we can get this jump. Yeah, he hit a cone, He barely skidded it there. Here we go, he's trying to get this shit. That probably would have been 3, so 3 is a good job. I have to say that's a 6 right there. That was a good jump. I think he hit it solid.
Yes, I won.
He wins that round. So whoever wins this round wins. Hold on.
I gotta do my celebration dance with my car.
Last round, 3 more jumps each. Do it.
I hit it. Yeah, it don't work on dirt.
Okay, here we go. Here Riley goes. He won that round. He's on first, so whoever wins this round wins. It means some great jumps off the start. I guess that's going to give him a 5 right there. Not a super bad jump. He probably could have done a little better. Here Tate goes. Think at driving this.
Don't pick it up anymore like that, you dummy.
Okay, sorry about that. Whew. This is probably a fun ride right here. Probably, hopefully. Fun for us, so I've never watched this video, so.
No, Darren was just making it.
Let me just get it set back up because this. Hey, hurry about that. Okay, we're gonna do a redo on that. Here we go. Here we go. That's a 5 right there, so we're both tied at 5. Here Riley goes. Hey, that's probably a 5. Hey, how do we go? It's 10 to 5.
10 to 5.
Hey, really needs a good jump to get this one. There you go.
4.
But I did it at the 5.
Okay, 4.
That almost did a flip, so.
Okay, I meant 5.
At the 5. So 10 to 10. Whoever wins this jump wins.
But if we die, we have to go to a new round.
No, we gotta do that. Oh, that's 6 right there. I gotta say, that's a 6.
6.
You got a 6 or above, or else if I go to 6, we have to redo the jump. Or do another jump at least.
Yeah.
There you go.
What?
End it. Here we go. Oh, no, leave it. No, leave it. That's got to be a 7. I did a twist. I did a twist in the air. Okay, hon, we're out to discuss that. Okay, yeah, we decided that's going to be a 7. I did a twist in the air and landed it. Close to an 8, but I wanted that to be an 8, but I won 7. 1 by 1. We'll see you later. And I'll show you the car real quick. We got to get this video over with. As you can see, I got the Rob McCarran thing. I put some Traxxas stickers on it so you can see Racing Replica. So, and we got his car. Pretty nice car too. I like this car. Okay, he's the Electrix RC. Little buddy, the buggy, the boost. And we'll see you next time. Just like, subscribe. And again, we're trying to get some views. So, see ya.